Hello everyone. Today we will continue our chapter lines and angles. We will start with the topic that is parallel lines and a transversal. Now what is a transversal? Transversal is a line, in this we have named it as L, which intersects two or more lines at various points. So here transversal is line L. Now what are exterior angles? Now exterior angles which are exterior, which are angle 1, angle 2, angle 8 and angle 7. These are exterior angles. Now interior angles. Interior angles which are within the lines, which are angle 4, angle 3, angle 5 and angle 6. Now corresponding angles. Corresponding angles will be angle 1 and angle 5, angle 4 and angle 8, angle 2 and angle 6, angle 3 and angle 7, angle 1 and angle 5, 2 and 6, 3 and 7, 4 and 8. Now alternate interior angles. Alternate interior angles form the shape of Z, like this. In this, alternate interior angles will be angle 4 and angle 6, and another Z which is angle 3 and angle 5. Now alternate exterior angles, which are angle 1 and angle 7, and angle 2 and angle 8. Now interior angles on the same side of the transversal are also known as consecutive interior angles or allied angles or co-interior angles. It means this is a transversal and interior angles are these on the same side of transversal, which are angle 4 and angle 5 and angle 3 and angle 6. These are on the same side of the transversal and these are another side of the transversal. Now those were intersecting lines. Now these are parallel lines. In this, corresponding angles that are angle 1 and angle 5, angle 2 and angle 6, angle 3 and angle 7, angle 4 and angle 8. And these corresponding angles are equal in parallel lines. Then alternate interior angles are always equal in parallel lines, which is that form Z, angle 3 and angle 6, and angle 4 and angle 5. Next we have theorem 6.2, which states if a transversal intersects two parallel lines, then each pair of alternate interior angle is equal. Alternate interior angle, which means angle AQR, this angle and this angle is equal to angle QRT, and similarly angle BQR is equal to angle QRC. And next theorem is if a transversal intersects two lines such that the pair of alternate interior angle is equal, then the two lines are parallel. This is basically the converse of this one. In this we were given that the lines are parallel, and now in this we are given that alternate interior angles are equal. Therefore, the lines are parallel. Hence, it means the same. They are just converse of each other. Theorem 6.4, it states that if a transversal intersects two parallel lines, AB and CD, then each pair of interior angles on the same side of the transversal is supplementary. And here, interior angles on the same side of transversal are angle 2 and angle 1. They are saying that it will be supplementary. Therefore, angle 1 plus angle 2 will be equal to 180 degree, and angle 3 plus angle 4 will be equal to 180 degree if these two lines are parallel. Now theorem 6.6, lines which are parallel to the same line are parallel to each other. In this, we are given that line L is parallel to line M and line L is parallel to line N. So we will prove this. If line L is parallel to line M, therefore by angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Why? Because of corresponding angles. Similarly, line L is parallel to line N. We'll mark it as 1. Then line L angle 1 is equal to angle 3. Same reason, that is corresponding angles. We'll mark it as 2. Now by 1 and 2, we can say angle 2 is equal to angle 3. Therefore, by corresponding angles, now these two are equal. Therefore, line M is parallel to line N. It states the theorem, lines which are parallel to the same line are parallel to each other. Now we will start with example 4. It is given that PQ is parallel to RS and angle MXQ is 135 degree and angle MYR is 40 degree. We have to find angle XMY. So we will draw a parallel line between these two. And name it as A and B. So we have done this earlier, that these three lines will be parallel to each other. PQ will be parallel to AB and will be parallel to R and S. Now angle QXM plus angle XMB will be equal to 180 degree. Why? Because of interior angles on the same side of the transversal. Are supplementary. And angle XMB plus QXM is given as 135 degree is equal to 180 degree. Therefore, angle XMB is equal to 180 degree minus 135 degree is equal to 45 degree. Now we will mark it as 1. Now similarly, angle BMY is equal to angle MYR. Why? Because of alternate interior angles, as they form the shape of Z. So these will be same, which is equal to angle MYR will be equal to 40 degree. We'll mark it as 2. So by 1 and 2, angle XMY is equal to angle XMB plus angle BMY. We have their values. 45 degree plus 40 degree is equal to 85 degree. Hence we have found the answer. Now next example is If a transversal intersects two lines such that the bisector of a pair of corresponding angles are parallel, then proves that the two lines are parallel. In this, we are given that BE is parallel to CG. This and this is parallel. Now we have to prove that PQ is parallel to RS. So how we will do this? In this, we can say that B is parallel to CG, then angle ABE is equal to angle BCG. Why? Because of corresponding angles. We will mark it as 1. Similarly, angle EBQ and GCS will be equal. Same reason. Now we can see, now we will add these angles 1 and 2. Therefore, angle ABE plus angle EBQ is equal to angle BCG plus angle GCS. Now we can see angle ABE plus EBQ is nothing but angle ABQ is equal to BCG plus GCS is nothing but angle BCS. Now we can see that ABQ, this whole angle and this whole angle are equal. Therefore, by corresponding angles, line PQ and line RS are parallel. Hence proof. Now example 6. It says that AB is parallel to CD and is parallel to CD is parallel to EF. So by the theorem we have done earlier, AB is parallel to EF. Now EA is perpendicular to AB, which means this angle is 90 degree, and angle BEF is equal to 55 degree. Now we have to find the values of x, y and z. So we will start this. We can say CD is parallel to EF. Therefore, angle FEB plus angle ED just a second, this is small, let me this as EOD will be 180 degree. Why? Supplementary angles on the same side of transversal. For 55 degree plus y is equal to 180 degree. Y will be 180 degree minus 55 degree, which is equal to 125 degree. Why is this? Now CD is parallel to AB. Therefore, angle Y is equal to angle X. Why? Because of corresponding angles. Therefore, angle X is equal to 125 degree. Now we have to find Z. In this, we can say that we have proved that AE is parallel to EF. Therefore, angle FEA plus angle EAB, this and this angle will be 180 degree. Supplementary angles on the same side of transversal. Therefore, FEA is nothing but Z plus 55 degree plus EAB is 90 degree is equal to 180 degree. Z plus 145 degree is equal to 180 degree. Z will be equal to 180 degree minus 145 degree, 35 degree. Hence we have proved this. Now we will start with exercise 6.2. Question number 1. It says find all the values of x and y and then show that AB is parallel to CD. In this we have to prove AB is parallel to CD. And now this is a line L. In line L we can say 50 degree plus x is equal to 180 degree. Reason, linear pair of angles. And line L and CD intersects at O. Let it name as O. Then y is equal to 130 degree because of vertically opposite angles. Now we can see x is equal to 130 degree. Now we can see that x is equal to y is equal to 130 degree. Therefore, by alternate interior angles as they form Z, therefore by alternate interior angles AB is parallel to CD. The second question is AB is parallel to CD and CD is parallel to EF and y is to z is 3 is to 7. Find x. In this we can say AB is parallel to CD and CD is parallel to EF. Therefore AB is also parallel to EF. Let's name these as X, Y and Z. So angle CYX plus angle CYZ is equal to 180 degree and CYX is small y plus angle CYZ is equal to 180 degree because of linear pair of angles. Now angle CYZ is equal to 180 degree minus y. So now angle CYZ is equal to small z. Why? Because of alternate interior angles. Therefore z is equal to 180 degree minus y. Now they are given in ratio, so we will write it as 7t is equal to 180 degree minus 3t. Then it will become 10t is equal to 180 degree, t is equal to 18 degree. Now we have to find x. So we can say that AB is parallel to EF. Then x is equal to z because of alternate interior angles. And x is equal to z and z is equal to 70, that is 7 into 18, which is equal to 126 degree. Therefore x is equal to 126 degree. Next question is AB is parallel to CD and EF is perpendicular to CD and angle GED is equal to 126 degree. Find AGE, GEF and FGE. Now we will name this AGEBX, GEFBY and FGEBZ. Now in this line CD we can say angle CEG plus angle GED is equal to 180 degree because of linear pair of angle. Now angle CEG plus GED is 126 degree is equal to 180 degree. Angle CEG is equal to 180 degree minus 126 degree, which is 54 degree. Find the value of y. Here angle CEG plus y plus 90 degree is equal to 180 degree because of linear pair of angles. Now CEG is 54 degree plus y plus 90 degree is equal to 180 degree. Now y is equal to 180 degree minus 144 degree, which is equal to 36 degree. So y is 36 degree. Now x is equal to angle GED because of alternate interior angles. So x is equal to 126 degree. And now we have to find the value of z. So x plus z is equal to 180 degree because of linear pair of angles. Now x is 126 degree plus z is equal to 180 degree. Z is equal to 180 degree minus 126 degree. Z is equal to 54 degree. Now question number 4. It says that if PQ is parallel to SD and PQR is 110 and RST is 130, we have to find Q, R and S. Let me name it as X. Now for this question, we will draw a line parallel to ST and PQ both. Let us name it as XY. Now in this question, ST is parallel to XY. Therefore, angle RST plus angle SRY is equal to 180 degree, as they are supplementary angles on the same side of transversal, and RST is 130 degree. Is 50 degree. And now similarly PQ is parallel to XY. Therefore angle PQR plus angle QRX is equal to 180 degree, supplementary angles. Now PQR is 110 degree plus QRX is equal to angle QRX is equal to 180 degree minus 110 degree is equal to 70 degree. Now in line XY, angle XRQ plus angle QRS plus angle SRY is equal to 180 degree because of linear pair of angles. Now XRQ is nothing but (70°) plus QRS is X plus SRY is 50°. X is equal to 180° minus 120°. Now X is equal to 60°. Hence this is the answer. Now next question is, if AB is parallel to CD and angle APQ is 50° and angle PRD is 127°, find X and Y. So in this question we can see AB is parallel to CD, therefore angle APQ is equal to angle PQR, Why? Because of alternate interior angle. Therefore, angle APQ is 50 degree and PQR is x. So we got the value of x, which is 50 degree. Now for y, x in triangle PQR, we can say x plus y is equal to 127 degree. Why? Because of exterior angle property. So x is 50 degree plus y is equal to 127 degree. Y is equal to 127 degree minus 50 degree, 77 degree. Now the sixth question, it says PQ and RS are two mirrors placed parallel to each other. An incident ray AB strikes mirror PQ at B and reflected ray moves along the path BC and strikes the mirror RS at C and again reflects back along CD. We have to prove that AB is parallel to CD. Now for this we will draw a line BM perpendicular to PQ and CN perpendicular to RS. We will name these angles as 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Now we can say that BM and CN are parallel. So therefore angle 2 is equal to angle 3 because of alternate interior angles. Now angle 1 is equal to angle 2 and angle 3 is equal to angle 4. Why? Because of laws of reflection. You may have studied that angle of incidence is angle of reflection. Therefore angle 1 is equal to 2 and angle 3 is equal to angle 4. Now we can say that angle 1 is equal to angle 2 and angle 2 is equal to angle 3 and angle 3 is equal to angle 4. Therefore we can write it as angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to angle 3 plus angle 4, which says angle ABC is equal to angle BCD. Therefore ABC and BCD, they form alternate interior angles. We can say now that AB is parallel to CD, hence proved.